Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean up your Gmail inbox. You get the choice to choose things that you want to keep. Here's one way to do it. So first of all, log into your Gmail account. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the settings cog in the top right hand corner, click onto that and click on see all settings. We're going to change the maximum page size to show 100 emails at a time. And then when you've done this, scroll down the page and you need to click on Save Changes down here, look. Okay, so we're now in our inbox and every page there's 100 emails here, which is going to make it easier for us to delete unwanted emails. What I'm going to do is going to go up to Search Mail up here and I want you to type in this command here. We've got this set to show us emails that are older than 1 year only. So that protects all the emails that are less than 1 year old. But we could change this Y to an M if we wanted to. So then our inbox will show us emails that are older than 1 month. And this is going to act as a good filter for us. So I'm going to keep this at 1 year. Just going to copy this. And you can just type into the search mailbox up here, older _ than : 1Y for 1 year. And then when you've done that, if you click on the enter key, so we're not focusing on anything from the last 12 months. These are really old emails from 2023 going back in time. So what we can then do is we can then click on the master tick box up here to select 100 emails at a time. If we click on the delete button up here, we'll delete all of these. It will delete 100 emails at a time. So what you can do at this point is you can go through and anything that you want to keep, you could untick if you wanted to. So go down your list, see if there's anything that you really want to keep, untick those, and then if you click on the delete button up here, you've deleted all those emails. So then you've got the next 100 emails here. You can do the same again. Click on the master tick box up there, which has selected 100 emails. There's nothing I want to keep in this here, so I'm going to click on delete again. So there's another 100 deleted. And if you do it like this, by clicking the master tick box up here, scrolling down, unticking anything that you want to keep, you'll bulk delete things that you don't want and you get to keep anything that you do want as well. And as I said, it doesn't have to be older than 1 year. It can be older than 1 month if you want, or it can be older than 2 years if you change that to a 2 up there. Click on the enter key. And this gives you quite a lot of control over what to keep and what to discard. Thanks for watching.